She's rubbing her vagina on your leg.
That's okay. I still love her. Let's take, hold on, 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes.
Come on, get up.
4 more minutes. Hey, let's go play.
Now you want to go outside?
Yeah.
I hope you step on shit.
That's rude. She just left me. She just left me.
She don't want to play.
Honey, no. I want to play.
You just came to torture my dog.
I just want to play. I think I might have just got mud on me. I think it's just mud.
No, it's shit, and you can't come in my house with shit on your
I'm
foot.
getting shit in your house.
Come up here with me. No.
Yeah, we could fit. We could definitely fit.
Okay, I'm coming.
I'm a pickle and a float.
Oh, God.
There. You know?
Yeah, how?
Like, how? It's really tied on to something. I don't know.
I touched it. I touched it. Stop. You were making out with the tree.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, don't lie.
Come here, honey. I do.
Breaking, I'm scared. My fingers will be chopped off. Ah!
I'm scared.
God. Famous last words?
Nope, but I'm trying to twerk.
Here, you climb. I'll give you a boost. You want to climb up here?
Please don't.
Get off me.
Don't.
Oh, it's empty.
Why are you in my woods? Oh. You are in my woods. Judo!